should stop here somewhere and have a little food. All my sacks of wheat! Someone has stolen them all! Oh no!
These wrestlers practice for many years. Only then are they able to perform such acts.
Bhim, the king has called you right away to the palace.
For the last few days, all the merchants who use the route that goes through the jungle have complained of their goods being stolen.
Majesty, who are these?
Till now, nobody has seen these robbers. They are invisible.
What? Invisible robbers?
Please get my sacks of wheat back.
Please don't worry. I think I have a good plan. Please don't worry at all.
I think someone is coming.
Get ready, everyone. Got you. Take a look. These are the invisible robbers.
So these dwarves are the invisible robbers.
Bhim!
There are so many of them, Bhim.
What do we do now? Don't be scared, friends. What's happening? I'll take care of them. Jaggu, you go and release our friends. Don't let them get you, or we will get trapped again.
Where have the keys gone?
Hey! Stop! I give you and all your friends the freedom to walk back home right now. Go!
I will go back only after you return the things you stole from the merchant. And after you promise never to rob any other trader.
This jungle is ours.
Competition will decide for everyone whose jungle this is. What's it?
Okay, but the competition will be chosen by us.
Tell us, which competition do you choose?
A boat racing competition.
We accept your rules.
Long live the Dingo Gang!
Come on, Kalia. You have to push harder.
And more strength, boss. Very good, boss. That's more like it. Faster, faster.
Please forgive us. Take back all your things.
Stay alert!
If I go back, my shadow also.
What happened? What were those strange sounds?
Bhim, look. Whatever it is scared of mirrors. Oh my, it has fallen into this dry well. No.
In fact, I believe that ghosts do not exist in the world. Meow! There is an old castle at the top of the mountain. Ghosts live there. So come on, guys, let's find out. The rain is not going to stop me. I'm sure some people will think that this rain and storm is because of the same ghosts. But no storm can stop me today from getting to the bottom of this mystery. Nothing can stop me today. Huh? Oh, ghosts! Where are you?
Right behind you. Hello. come across twin ghosts?
When there are no ghosts, there cannot be any twin ghosts.
We will turn him into a little cat.
Listen, please. How about putting me down instead? Good idea. No, I don't want to be a ghost.
I said ghost, and I said cat. Ghost, cat, ghost, cat, ghost.
Don't be disheartened. We'll find a solution for this. To turn you back into a human, all we need from you is the address of that castle.
Yes.
A new style to trouble pesky children.
Bhim, Laddu!
Both of you hide quickly.
Saw that? You kept talking and the children ran away.
I was just trying to swat a fly.
Let's turn him into a ghost like us. Not at all, Kali. We will change him into a monkey. I said ghost. A monkey will be funnier to play with. Ghost. Monkey.
Oh, help! What's happening to me? I am a ghost.
To keep fighting with each other, let's make them fight more so that we can win against them one by one.
So tell me, which of you is better at everything?
I am. No, I am. You are my twin, and that's why I tolerate you. Otherwise? Huh? Otherwise what? Go away from here, or I won't spare you. Yeah, right.
Now for step 2. You remember how much the mirror scared the ghost cat?
Yes, after becoming a ghost, even I'm feeling scared of mirrors, Chutki. If a ghost touches one, then it will get trapped inside it.
We need a mirror as big as a wall. In the dark, it will seem like a twin is visible in the mirror.
I can't touch any mirror, but I can pick up Dholu Bolu anytime.
Huh? Yes, I know that you're a bore. You don't have any new ideas. That's why you imitate me. Huh? Okay, so get ready for a clash. A mirror? I am Kali, my brother. Lal, my brother.
First, you will have to do what we tell you to.
Yes, tell me.
1. Turn the ghost cat back into a human.
Oh, okay.
Yay!
2. Turn the ghost monkey back into Kalia now.
Oh, okay.
One more condition, that you two ghost brothers never trouble people again.
We promise. Brother. My dear brother. Have a look at my latest invention. Zippity Zappity Travel Machine.
I think this machine is really amazing. But what does it do?
If I put anything in this box, then it will travel and come out of that box.
Where did it go?
Some nuts and bolts of this box are loose. Let us fix them. Maybe then this transporter will work properly.